Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see this numbering pattern. So if you have solved the earlier questions of star pattern and even digit patterns, this is very similar to that. But the main difference is what we are going to display each time. Okay, so let's analyze this pattern carefully. We can see that the number of rows are 5 and column is also 5. Okay, and the second observation is the inner loop, that is the column inner loop, is actually dependent on this outer loop. What I mean by this is, if row is 1, then the column is going to be 1. The value of column will be 1. If the row is 2, the value of columns are 2, and so on. So with these two concepts, let's try to see a solution for this. So the outer loop will be very much straightforward. I is equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, and I plus plus. And we are going to take a variable inside of this with an empty string, and the inner loop will be also an simple incrementing loop that is going to run every time till I, because it is dependent on the outer loop, and j plus plus. So the main logic that we need to apply is, what are we going to display inside of this row, right? So row is equals to row plus what? That is the question. So if we analyze this, in the first time we are showing the digit 1, okay? The second time we are showing it 1 and 0. Again 1, 0, 1. And then we again go to 1. All right. So in each inner loop, if we see an inner loop independently, first of all, if we see each row is actually starting from 1. Okay. If we see each row independently, we see that first it is 1 and then 0. In the third one, it's 1, 0, and 1. In the last one, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is kind of alternating value, or we can call it a toggle value, right? If it was 1, it will toggle to 2, and then, toggle to 0. If it is 0, it is toggling back to 1. But where does this toggling happen? It is happening inside of this row, inside of this particular row, every single row. So in our code, what is that place? That place is actually the inner loop. What we can do is, we can just name one variable as toggle maybe, and give it a value of 1. Since every time it is starting with 1, that is why. And we are going to add this toggle in the row. There's a little bit of logic left in this. Let us just print this and see what we are getting at this point. Okay. So at this point, we are getting 1, 1 at all the places. But we need to toggle it to 0 also. So inside of this inner loop, if we toggle the value of, if we change the value of this toggle each time, then maybe we will achieve this. So what we are going to do here is, at the first step, we are already going to add this toggle with the value as 1 only, because every time it is starting with 1. But for the second iteration, what we are going to do is, we are going to check. We are going to check if this toggle is 1, we are going to change it to 0. If it is 0, we are going to change it to 1. So we can add a condition something like this. Toggle equals to 1. Then toggle becomes 0. Okay. And else toggle remains 1. So if we try to run this file and see, we get the desired output. So yes, this was the solution of this question. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.